This is the Step 5 Be Like a Boy video that covers Section 3 of the Merit-Based Criteria handout. Recall that we are still under Step 5, applying to the nursing program. In Step 5B, we're going to talk about Section 3 of the Merit-Based Criteria. Section 3 of the Merit-Based Criteria has three parts. The first is bio prereqs, non-bio prereqs, and lastly, recommended courses. So let's start with bio prereqs. Oh, you'll also notice that there's a 53-point maximum in Section 3. The most points you can get in the bio prereqs is 40 points for earning a 3.9 to 4.0 on these three courses with labs. To be eligible for the program, you need a minimum of a 2.5 GPA in these three courses. You need to abide to a 5-year recency. All prereqs must have been completed with a grade of C or better. So remember how we had this big COVID pandemic and some schools went to pass, no pass? The nursing program will only accept pass grades during this time frame right here. Students may only repeat each bio course once. 2 points will be deducted for each repeated course within the 5-year recency. If a letter grade or pass-fail was issued, it counts as an attempt. For any course in which a C or better was earned, the best course grade will be counted for the 5-year recency. And here's an example if you want to take a peek. Withdrawals do not count as attempts. The nursing program will accept retroactively prereqs, anatomy, micro, and physio, and chemistry with an online lab component only between spring 2020 and spring 2022. We will accept hybrid science courses. We will not accept exclusive online courses. We will not accept exclusive online courses. All labs must be in person and face-to-face, unless it's between that time frame. So here's a document that we're going to take a peek at. Review the prereq evaluation form fall 2025 to see if which details apply to your situation. Based on where you completed your prereq courses, there is a form that you may need to fill out and email to Marcia Ramazzini before January 10th, 2025. So let's take a peek at this document right here. So, CSM, we have prereqs that you need to complete before applying to the program. They can be found in the merit-based sheet. We need courses reviewed if you took the courses outside of our district. So let's take a look at this. Here's some information about prereqs. There's 3 scenarios. We'll have to see which one is your scenario. Scenario 1, you completed all your prereqs at SMCCD. So that means at Skyline, CSM, or Kenyatta. You do not need to fill out this form. Scenario 2, you have 1 or more prereq courses outside SMCCD. Then you'll need to take a look at this articulation grid. For example, you took Bio 128 at Allen Hancock College. Lucky ducky! That matches our SMCCD Bio 240 Micro. So yes, you are okay. That matches. It works. It works, so you don't need to worry about it. All right, how about scenario 3? If 1 or more prerequisite courses are outside of SMCCD and cannot be found. So you looked up here in the articulation grid, and you could not find your school. then you will need to fill out this prerequisite evaluation form and submit it to Marcia by January 10th. This form can be found on the next page. So be sure to do this or it's going to delay the process. Submit the course descriptions, unofficial or official transcripts, and the prereq evaluation form to Marcia by January 10th. And the form is on the next page. So go ahead and fill this out. If you are in scenario 3, fill this out and send it to Marcia. Better sooner than later. Official transcripts are accepted only from regionally accredited U.S. institutions. Transcripts outside the U.S. have to be approved by our foreign evaluation services. Click on that link. All right, here's a big one. Each applicant will request that their academic institution send official transcripts to the CSM nursing program. Not to CSM, but to the CSM nursing program. Electronic transcripts are preferred. Have the official transcripts be sent to CSM Nursing at SMCCD or via the Postal Service. And here is our snail mail address. We want to see your official transcripts so that we can verify that you completed your prerequisites. All prereq courses must be completed by the time you apply. They cannot be in progress when you apply. The CSM nursing program has the right to deny admissions to an applicant if a course is missing by the time the applicant begins the nursing program. All right, here's part 2, non-bio prereqs. You need a minimum of a 2.0 GPA. Make sure you take a look at this prerequisite evaluation form. Remember, this is the one that looks like this. See if you're in scenario 1, 2, or 3, and complete the form if you're in scenario 3, and submit it to Marcia by the due date. All right, how about if you're a high school student, or you were a high school student, and you took some AP courses? The only prereq courses allowed to be fulfilled with AP classes are Math 200, English 100 or 105, and Psych 100. If you took the AP course and the exam and you scored 3 or higher, then make sure you fill out this form and send it to Marcia. Fill out this form and send it to Marcia. We only accept U.S. Official transcripts. Foreign ones need to go click on this link. We need official transcripts to evaluate your application. No official transcript, no application, or no looking at your application. All right, you can send it have it sent via email or snail mail. Let's see. Prereqs are required for the AS degree. They need to be completed before February 1st. We will deny you if the prereqs aren't done. They must be completed with a C or better. Pass, no pass will not be accepted except for during this time period. If you earned a C or better, the earliest course grade will be utilized. And here's some information about communication. I recall we said, I think we extended the due date. The due date is February 28th, 2025, because we realized that some of you finish up in December and it might take the teachers some time to get it in. So for official transcripts, they are due by February 28th, 2025. All right, part 3, recommended courses. So if you take any of these courses, 1 point can be awarded for each course completed successfully. We'll take US official transcripts. Send the official transcripts. Due date is February 28th. Foreign transcripts need to be evaluated in a special way. What a mouthful! Section 3 is big and it's important. Be really careful about these supporting document and detailed information. Okay, take it one step at a time. I'll see you in the next video.